You can leave voicemails for someone else on the SIP T48G IP phone. Voicemails are stored in a centralized location. To configure the voicemail, tap Menu, select Messages, select Voicemail, and then choose Set Voicemail. In the related account, tap the IME soft key to select the proper input mode and enter the voicemail access code, for example, *86. Tap the Save soft key to accept the change. When a voicemail is received, the phone will play an alert tone, the power indicator LED will flash red slowly, and the LED screen will display both a voicemail icon and the message New Voicemail. To check your voicemails, tap the View key or Connect soft key, and then press the Message key to dial out the access code, *86, whereby you can listen to the voicemail. To view the voicemail via the phone user interface, tap Menu, select Messages, select Voicemail, and then select View Voicemail. The touchscreen displays the amount of new and old voicemails. You can tap the account to listen to voicemails.